Good morning, everybody. We're back at it. Another no heat. A retail store. 2 carrier units, and the rear unit is not heating. Of course, it's a carrier, so this should be pretty easy. I hear a blower motor running. I don't hear any combustion blower. So I'm not gonna shut anything off just yet. I'm gonna open it up, see what we got going on. Combustion blower spins free. That front plate on the heat exchanger is not looking too hot. You know we're gonna check that, of course. Let's see what kind of indicator light we've got going on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Let's check it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8. 5 and 8. Now let's take a look here. So we get 2 different flashes. 5, ignition lockout fault. 8, internal control fault. All right. All right. So it's locked out on the ignition control board, and it's also indicating an internal, what the hell did that say? Internal control fault. Let's count those again just to make sure that we are getting the right amount of flashes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 8. Well, I'm gonna reset it. All right. And look over the electrical here. Looks like somebody's replaced some contactors and left their garbage. These contactors don't look, this one's a little bit starting to pit. This one's broken on the corner. We're gonna write up some new contactors. Anyway, let's reset this. It's a cold one. And we got a steady on. All right. So we reset the board. It's probably gonna take that thermostat a minute to call for heat. Whoop, or not. Hey, and we fire it up. All right. Blower is running. We'll go ahead and shut this gas off. That way that heat exchanger doesn't get too hot. Let that cool down. We're gonna inspect this heat exchanger right off the bat. Because you guys know as well as I do, these carriers, at least half the time, got a crack in them. There. Internal control fault. Come on, you. Yeah, of course. Get in there. Man, fingers are frozen already. Not too bad, pulley's not too bad. All right, well, I'm gonna get this inspection panel off, take a look and see if this heat exchanger's cracked, which by the shape of the front plate here, I'm gonna say yes. Putting my money down. Bet you we find something in here. So let me get this off. We'll be right back. Holy crap, guys, you're never gonna believe this. This carrier is not cracked. It actually looks in pretty decent shape. That front plate though not so much. It'll be a next year heat exchanger replacement, I'm sure. But yeah, I looked it all over. I pulled this panel off as well. There's some heat stress marks, but no cracks. Everything looks good. I'm shocked and amazed. Belt appears to be in decent shape. Blower motors are running. When it's on, we'll button this thing back up and see if we can get it to mess up again. All right, well, we got her fired back up. I'm gonna let it run for a little while. Probably cycle it on and off a few times. See if I can get this board to give me those codes again. It was on a lockout and, oh man, my memory. Internal control fault. So at the very minimum, we're probably gonna be writing up 2 contactors and an ignition control board. Flame sensor and igniter, just for good measure. I'm gonna let this thing run. I'm gonna go give that one a peek. Make sure nothing looks too goofy on that. All right, guys, I disconnected W, and I'm gonna start cycling this thing on and off. See if I can get it to mess up. Where are we? There we go. So I'm jumping it out with my jumper now. We're gonna cycle it on and off. See if we can get it to screw up and give us that error code again, but so far I've got no no error code and everything seems to be working all right. Let me zip this up. I'm giving that one a look over here. So nothing too bad. The heat exchanger's fine on number 1. This is number 2. I left this off so I could warm up. So let me finish up over here. We'll cycle this other unit a few times, but it's definitely getting some contactors, and I think I'm gonna write up that ignition control board just because it was giving me the internal fault, internal board fault. So let me finish up on this one and we'll continue on with that one. All right, unit 1 is off and running, nothing major. I tightened a belt. I'm gonna write up a new belt and filters. This one looks good. So I'm gonna button this up and we'll finish up over there. Well, I'm gonna cycle this thing one more time, and if I can't get it to mess up, we're gonna move on. All right, guys, I got them both buttoned up. They're both heating. I cycled this one, I don't know, 10 times. I couldn't get it to screw up, so I'm gonna write up an ignition control board for it, a couple of contactors, and that's gonna do it. And we'll see if it continues to heat until we get back, but other than that, I couldn't find any issues. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon. That'll notify you anytime I got a new video coming up. Leave me a comment, hit like. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next one.